Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure UPS My Choice alerts for smoother work from home deliveries. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure UPS My Choice alerts for smoother work from home deliveries, start by opening a web browser. Go to the UPS My Choice website. Log into your UPS account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Options section. Look for the Notifications or Alerts submenu. Click on Edit Notification Preferences. You will see various options for delivery alerts. Choose the type of alerts you want to receive. Options may include email, text messages, or the UPS mobile app. Select your preferred method of contact for receiving updates. Enter your mobile number or email address as required. Adjust the settings for delivery notifications according to your needs. Consider enabling alerts for when packages are out for delivery. You might also want to receive notifications for delivery changes. Save your notification preferences after making changes. If available, opt in for delivery windows to better plan your day. You can also set preferences for specific packages or shippers. Be sure to check any additional features that suit your work from home setup. Finally, log out of your account once you've finished configuring the settings. Now you're set up for smoother deliveries while working from home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.